If you want your nose spray to work, you have to use it properly. Hi! Guess what? We're in October already. And during October, we do get a lot of questions about allergies. And especially along with flu season, cold season, and of course the COVID season. It's like never ending, right? We do get a lot of questions about nose sprays. We get a lot of prescriptions for it, and we do get a lot of customers coming in just to help their runny nose or stuffy nose. So today, I want to talk about nose spray. There are a few different nose spray you can purchase over the counter. The most simplest one is saline. The most simple one is to basically wet your nose so that it's not too dry. These are particularly useful if you are actually starting to use some heat in the house and you might have a dry nose. Also, there are different type of nose spray, such as steroid nose spray now is available as over-the-counter, fluticasone, and things like that. And they do complete different things. They actually would dry out your nose if you have runny nose. There is also oxymetazoline, or commonly known as Afrin, that's also used for stuffy nose. So make sure before you purchase a product, double check with the pharmacist so that we can pick a right one for you. They all use different ways. So let's get right into it. So a nose spray, many people, and I see it, they just put up and spray. How difficult can it be, right? There are actually some steps that you should definitely take prior to using a nose spray. Before we actually use a nasal spray, first thing that we need to do is gently blow out your nose and clean inside the nostrils. There might be things in there and the medication will not get there if your nose is dirty. Second, you want to prime it. Make sure you get a fine mist coming out from the tip of your nasal spray. Then third, you want to make sure your head is upright. And then make sure you hold the other side of the nostril with your finger. Hold it down. And when you insert the tip of the nasal spray into your nose, you point it away from the septum. Septum is the middle of the nose. Point it away from septum like this. And then spray. Now, generally speaking, most of the products will not cause runniness, and after that, if you are tasting it, the medicine in your mouth after using the nose spray, that can happen, especially if you're putting your head back like this when you're spraying it. Some people are doing it naturally. Try not to do that. Make sure your face is upright, your head is upright before you use your nose spray. Also, make sure that you do not share these nose spray with anybody else. It does go into your nasal cavity, and it can be pretty dirty, and there can be other different type of infection or contamination can happen at the tip if you're sharing with someone else. Make sure you do clean it up afterwards, and then you close it. If you have any questions, you can always give us a call at HB Pharmacy, and see you next time.